Hello everybody, PC Guides here. First off, let me say Happy New Year. I hope 2015 will be a wonderful year for everybody. So, as you can see, my Fedora looks totally different. And sorry guys, I haven't made a video in a while. When I was trying to install Vim, I noticed that Fedora 15 is no longer supported, so therefore I could not get to where I could download Vim and install it. So I had to get a new Fedora, so I got Fedora 21. If you want this one, I will put the link in the description below. So as you can see, everything is totally different about this one. So if you're not using Fedora 21 and you can't download Vim, maybe you need to try to go to Fedora 21. That way you can download Vim. Fedora is a cutting-edge technology type distro thing. So it comes out quite often. You get new updates. And they just kind of do away with the old ones after they run out after their life ends. So we'll go ahead and open up a terminal, and it took a while to find the terminal, but you hit Activities, this little thing right here, it says Show Applications, Utilities, and then Terminal. You click it there, and I'm going to make it full screen here. I said I was. There we go. So first thing, we need to install Vim. I've already done it, but this is the command that you use. Yum install Vim. There will be one place, and you need to type a Y and hit Enter to confirm the download. So that's pretty much it for that. So let's just talk about Vim and what it does. Vim is a highly configurable text editor, and it's built to enable to. How can I want to say this? It's a highly configurable text editor, and it's built to enable efficient text editing. There we go. It's an improved version of the VI editor. VI is pretty much the same thing as Vim, although it does not do certain things that you need for scripting. Well, it does it all, but it doesn't show you color coding, as we'll get into later on when we start scripting. And Vim is distributed free. It's a free program. It's often called the programmer's editor. It's highly useful for programming. But Vim is a tool, and it must be learned. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to learn how to use Vim. So the first thing we need to do is we need to start up, just get one going here. So we'll type Vim dog.txt. We'll go into it. As you can see, this is what it looks like. You just get this right here. If I try to type, well, nothing happens because we have to type an I for insert. This will insert you in where you can type various things. So let's just type something here. Let's type cat and then type dog. That sounds good to me. So if I hit escape, this will take me out of insert mode where I can do other commands. If I go to the beginning of cat and type a lowercase a, this will put me in insert mode one place above the C where I can type something else. Remember, escape to get out of insert mode. If I do a shift A, this will put me in insert mode at the end of the line where I can type something else. As we know, I will put you into insert mode, so I go escape and I will put you right back into insert mode. Now, if we want to open up a line below cat dog, I can type an O. This will open up a line directly below cat dog. If I want to open up a line above it, shift O will open up a line above cat dog. Say I want to erase one character, and I'm not in insert mode, so I just don't want to enter into insert mode. I can type X. This will erase one character at a time. Well, oops, I didn't really want to do that. Say I didn't want to do that. I don't want to erase those characters. So type a U. A U will undo the changes of whatever that you've done there, so it does that. Say I want to replace one character. Say I want to replace the D in dog to an F for fog. So I type it R for replace and then type an F. This will replace the D with the F. Say I want to, well, let's go ahead and undo that. Say I want to replace more than just one. Say I want to replace different things. I can do a shift R here at dog, and I can type cow. And this will replace the entire dog with cow. I can do it again and go back to dog. So that's how that works. Say I want to save the file. I can do a Shift:W for write, hit enter. This will save at the bottom. You see dog.txt, new 3 lines, 11 characters were written. So that's what it done. Say I want to write it and then quit, so Shift:WQ, and it brings you down here to the bottom, and you can type and enter, hit enter. This will exit and write it at the same time. There's a few other things here we can do with it. If I want to just delete a word, an entire word. Let's go back into vimdog.txt, and I want to delete the entire word cat. I can type wherever my cursor is sitting. My cursor is sitting here at cat. At the beginning of it, I can type a DW. This will delete that word. Well, oops, I didn't want to do that. U for undo. Say I want to delete an entire line. I type DD, and this will delete the entire line. I can also delete my blank lines that are there as well. So let's go back into insert mode. Remember I for insert. Let's just add a few more lines. So cat, dog, mouse, cow. That sounds good for now. Let's see. Let me just get out of that right there. I had to show you. I'll bring that back up in a little bit. So now if I want to delete 3 lines, I can do a 3DD. This will delete 3 lines. And that's what we use DD for if you want to delete certain things. Now, there's one more thing, or a few more things we need to go over here in this one. So we'll bring those back up. Say I want to yank a line, or copy it. I do a YY. This will copy the one line that my cursor is sitting on. I go down below cow and type a P for paste or put, and this will put it or paste it down below cow. And I can do that as many times as I want to until my finger gets tired of pressing P. I can also undo this all the way back out to where it was. Say I need to yank 4 lines. I do a 4 YY. Come down below cow, do a P for put. And I can do this as many times as I want to. So I can undo all of that as well. Let's see, say I want to change this word. I can type a CW and I can change it to Linux. That works for me. I can change the entire thing. Say I have a whole sprawn out bunch of junk here that I don't really want there anymore. I can come to the beginning of the line and do $. D and then dollar, which is the 4 on your pad there, or on your Shift 4. Oh, I gotta be out of insert mode, so escape to get out of insert mode. $. That will delete the entire line. U for undo there. I'll undo that garbage I put. So that's what we can do with Vim. One more thing here we'll show you. Say you're searching in a configuration file and you can't seem to find what you're looking for, but you know what it is. You know exactly what you're looking for. Let me add a few more things here. So I'm just going to add mouse a few more times here. And then now I want to type a /. Say I need to search for this thing that I cannot find. I'm looking in a configuration file, been looking forever and I can't find it. So / mouse. Hit enter. This will find mouse. I can do an N for next again, and it will search through all of them and find them. Well, say I found what I was looking for, but I want to change the word. I want to change the word to something like chicken. So CW CHICKEN. I can do an N for next. Oh, sorry. You gotta go back out and do it back into escape mode, or get out of insert mode, so escape to go back. N for next, and then do a period. This will change everything. It will redo the last command. N will find the next occurrence of that word, and whatever command you did, period, will put it back in there. So thank you guys for watching. This is probably the end of this one. That's about all we need to know before we start out on Vim. So the next video we'll jump straight into scripting. Thank you guys. I hope you have a happy new year.